Only on Fox tonight, let's face it, no one wants to lose their hair.
And there's a new way to tackle baldness. We're talking about high-tech, natural-looking hair replacement. Fox 35's John Brown, who has a lovely head of hair, by the way.
You've seen the commercials, and the results are impressive. It sounds easy, but the reality?
They call it the strip method, where they actually cut a chunk out of your scalp up, and then they got to sew it together, which leaves you with a big, nasty scar.
But now there's a much easier, less painful option.
For today, we're looking to try to get 1,200 grafts.
It's called the NeoGraft. First, a tiny tool is used to individually remove hairs and follicles.
That is 1 millimeter, that little punch, and that heals out overnight, so you're left with no scarring.
Those hairs are prepped and then transplanted back into the patient's problem areas.
It'll grow just like natural hair.
Close to 100% of the transplanted hair survived, compared to just 70% with those traditional methods.
I'm going to basically go in right behind this and fill this in so that we're going to bring it forward and provide you with a little bit more density there.
Today, Dave is hoping the NeoGraft will transform his hairline.
I'm losing my hair. It's always been fuller. All my life I've been told I had full, thick hair, and for some reason in the last year I've noticed a lot more follicles and hair in the sink. So I felt that it was time to do something before it got worse.
Dr. Bassin says the results look more natural. Take a look at these before and after shots.
It makes them feel better about themselves, and if you feel better about yourself, really what better reward can you have than that?
Helping turn back the clock.
You feeling me, Dave?
One hair at a time. I'm John Brown, Fox 35 News.
The NeoGraft takes several hours to do, depending on how many hairs have got to be harvested. Costs around $7 per hair graft. That's a little more expensive than the traditional technique. The patients say the lack of scarring and the more natural results are worth that extra cost.